Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the YouTube an error occurred tap to retry problem. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, tap on the YouTube app and now click on the I button and scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back and now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Camera allow, back, contacts allow, back, location allow, back, microphone allow, back, nearby devices not back, notification, phone, photos and video allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and go to Play Store, search for YouTube. My YouTube app already updated to the latest version. Okay, go back and open your YouTube and scroll down. See, I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.